Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, Cash. How are you?
Safely flat.
Yes. Me as well. So, for anybody who's been watching this morning, we had this giant wick candle in gold. IB is set in copper. So we were discussing in the Discord, trying to trade this, and, what's happening is the liquidity is being pulled. So any market order of any size creates this huge movement, this order book sweep. And even if you have a stop order in here, let's say you're short, you're looking for this dip, this candle is going to probably stop you out. Even if your stop was way down here, if there's a big enough market order, you might not be stopped out until up here, until that market order finishes. And we talked about this quite a bit yesterday on stream. Very difficult to trade, very risky. I was saying my trade on the news is no trade. Not to say that it can't be done. I think there's lots of traders who only trade the news, but it's not my wheelhouse, not my circus. So I don't trade it. So here we are. We have an initial balance in copper. I don't like the first test here, only because we're breaking into value area low on the week here. This is bearish momentum. So I'm really not expecting this IB low to hold here. So the confluence is not strong. Maybe we get a temporary chop in this channel here between value area low and IB low before the break. Maybe it does bounce. I don't know. But I don't like the setup. I don't have very good confluence. So we've bounced so far. I mean, this is technically, we haven't even tested this IB yet. So the test was before the IB set. So we're up 12 ticks from that low. See if we come back to it. I'm going to set some, interestingly enough, if we could break into value, that's weekly VWAP area. So let's see if we can see what happens at this area. We got VWAP and IB mid at the same spot. We have value area high in the session and value area high in the week at the same level. So there's some interesting levels in copper. This 50% IB low is also value area low on the week. So I'm gonna watch me some copper for a little bit here. See what we do. Okay, we've broken above weekly VWAP here, but now we're running right into value area low on the session. So really no setup. I mean, if anything, it's a long, but you're trading right into value area low. We could very well bounce right off this level here. So, just gonna have to watch.
Did you see the wick, 15-minute wick on treasuries at 8:30?
Oh no. Yeah, look at that.
It was a doozy.
Good way to make or lose a lot of money. You need to have a pretty big account to withstand this type of swing in treasuries. These are very big players that are holding through this.
copper breaks weekly VWAP here, might go down and actually do the initial test.
I have it already trading above weekly VWAP, 79 and 79.3.
Yeah, I mean if it breaks to the low side,
Oh,
then
okay.
it might go down
Gotcha.
to IB low.
This is an interesting area. But the problem with this, if you try to go long here, is it's a breakout trade, and then where do you put your stop? All the way down here? 20 ticks away?
I like it more short here with a stop just above value area low.
Yeah. But again, the confluence on the weekly is up. You know, we're above weekly VWAP. This is a bullet. We broke below it and reclaimed it. So that's bullish on the higher time frame. So I don't like it either way. I don't have a good risk area short, and I don't have a good. I have a good risk area short, but it's the confluence is not there. Confluence is on the long side, but I can't manage my risk.
Yeah, IB mid and VWAP is the next area to watch.
And the rest of the metals are trading up in correlation. So I don't know if we want to try and short this. So no trades. So the problem with this trade, guys, was as we reclaimed weekly VWAP, that's a nice bullish signal, right, to go long. But the problem is by the time it did that, we were running right into value area low in the session. Now, obviously, in hindsight, it breaks here, but like, where do you put your stop, right? It's very hard to, you know, down here, below weekly VWAP maybe, but you know, that's some pretty big risk. I like a more asymmetrical trade than that. Might get some confirmation here. This would be interesting. Let's see what happens here. So now we have this little pullback. We'll see if it gives up this move or it holds. Breaking back below. So, you know, is this the short? Sure, but now we're going right into weekly VWAP. So, you know, we have a lot of mixed signals here. If we break below weekly VWAP, this could be the short. But then again, not a great risk level. You know, by the time we break VWAP, we're 12 ticks away from the swing high. You know, you could be shorting right into what's becoming a consolidation range right here. So there's a lot of problems with this setup. Too many for me to take it. Might be the short here. We got weekly VWAP right there at 40.
Or if it holds value area low, you know, might try to make its way up to VWAP, Ivy mid.
For sure. So my line in the sand right here is this zone of 40 and 60. Thanks. Good luck. Are you done trading, MD Trader, or calling it a night? All right. Now we're testing weekly VWAP here. Interesting short.
I took it. I got to stop at 4 or 5. Just above weekly.
I did too. I don't have a great fill. I'm at 25.
Same.
I'm in 3 ticks in the green. All right, well, this one's working in our favor.
Move and stop to break even.
I'm gonna get scratched out of this. Nope, didn't get scratched.
1 tick away.
Okay, guys, so the trade here it worked out nicely. We were looking for the short after we rejected out of value area low on the session, right here. And then the break of weekly VWAP here for the retest of IB low. Small scalp, worked out. It worked pretty much in our favor immediately, so we were able to move the stop pretty quickly to break even. Came pretty close to just scratching out, which is fine. I'll take a scratch all day. But it worked out for a nice scalp. 6 ticks, 7 ticks or so. Gold and platinum are set. Let's take a look at our levels here. What do we got? Look at this narrow ass value area. So VWAP is interesting. It's kind of this VWAP on the week and the day are same levels. IB 50% high is a good level. That's also value area high in the week. And this isn't all that pretty, to be honest with you. This candle creates this kind of skewed IB. All right, let's take a look at the 10-year. VWAPs are pretty close together. This would be a good, interesting area to short up here. Get up there. This chart is crazy. Not a fan. Put an alert here. Silver IB set. Tell you what, guys, I'm not loving these charts because of these huge candles we got from that news break. It's a lot of just...
Yeah, they're really skewed.
Silver's got an interesting area at VWAP IB mid, which is pretty close to weekly VWAP. So that could be an interesting area to fade. We're kind of at value area low. Oh, this is interesting in silver here. So we're at value area low and weekly value area low on the week in session. Morning, Kaufman.
Morning, Kaufman.
Kind of like the short here, but now we have the lower low. Kind of breaking into value here.
Yeah, you're chasing this point if you're trying to join this action long.
I'm interested for the rejection. We get it. Rejected once already.
Yeah, I like that.
I kind of just put in a little top there. Base risk off of.
Might have sucked in some longs here.
There you go. Nope. That might have been the confirmation right there. Long. Morning, Gary. Might get stopped out here. Keeping my wrist super tight on this one.
You got platinum and VWAP. Gold is trying to make its way up there as well.
Ooh, I like if we could get past VWAP to value area high in platinum. I like that because that's by value area low in the week. So let's get a break of VWAP. Suck in the longs that aren't paying attention to the bigger picture. Wow, ton of buyers just got absorbed on silver there. Yes.
Want to see that break below and bleed out. I gotta stop at 110.
Me too. Little battle here. I'm afraid of the order book sweep. Here it comes. Stopped out.
Yep.
Stopped out to the tick.
Stopped out to the tick.
Kind of like it long now. I'm back in long.
Gold's a
Yo,
VWAP.
yes. What up? So that was a good switch of bias there, watching the tape. Took a small loss and then flipped.
Gold's at both VWAPs right here.
Silver
Broke.
Now I like, you know, if we can get up to this 20. Silver's at VWAP too. Gold is at weekly and session VWAP, but like look at this tight ass session range. What are we trading here? Bonds. No good setup.
Just
Ooh,
took a
silver
nice little short
rejected.
on gold. Had my stop above the previous high candle above weekly VWAP and got a nice short on gold there.
Yeah, nice one. I mean,
Now silver's below value area low.
yeah, I took my profits on that. That was a good one. That might be a short now. I don't know. This is just kind of chopping around now.
Those are big wicks on the 1 minute, man.
I'm gonna pass on that. Gold. Gold just kind of chopping, man. I kind of like long here. Try and stop run. So this is balance trading. I'm looking to fade the action. We're in balance. We're in value area low of the week and the session. No real. You take that all the way down to value area low. Nice trade long right there too. All right, I'm gonna be right back.
I got 14 ticks there, baby.
Nice.
Woo! Chris is always teasing me about gold. I don't know, I like it, you know? I like the metals. We got copper struggling here at weekly VWAP. It's got a bullish candle though, I wouldn't short that. It's trying to get back into value on the session, which it just did.
I bought Cash's shares there at the bottom. Took it back to VWAP. I'm cold.
Platinum just broke above VWAP.
Gold digger.
Copper's trying to get into value here. Platinum's above VWAP.
A lot of chop.
Silver. A lot of chop and
silver approaching weekly VWAP.
Look at gold, man.
That was the long right there.
Platinum's coming up to value area high and IB mid. Trying.
Silver trying to break through weekly VWAP, session VWAP, and IB mid. Someone's supporting the bid. So, not fading this. I think we'll get the breakout, but I have no risk level, so. Or is that the rejection?
Copper just flushed hard through weekly VWAP, might make its way down to IB low.
Well, that was the fade on silver there. Oh well. Okay, gold, interesting, coming back here. I went long. Gold.
Got soybeans at weekly and session VWAP.
Soybeans just opened.
I don't think I've traded soybeans this week.
Yeah, I wouldn't trade them until later. Watching this gold.
What's your price on gold?
Not very good. 77. Got a bad fill. But it feels strong.
I got weekly VWAP on platinum up at 46.5 defo.
Gold hold here.
Oh, value area low. Sorry. I thought you said VWAP. I'm watching too many things, man. We got a rainy day in South Florida.
Come on, gold.
Better hope it doesn't break here, sir.
I gotta stop that. I actually I added at the VWAP and got out of one at the top, so my new price is 68. And I gotta stop at 57.
Nice.
So I executed that one really well.
Lower highs on the 1 minute though.
You guys see that? I got stopped out. Small loser.
Alright, I'm at profit target in my first top step. I'm switching over.
We reclaim here though. No trades here. Stopped out for a small loss.
I took the inverse Chris on that one.
Looks like it's bleeding out.
Yeah, that's not a pretty wick on the 15 minute.
No. So, Kaufman, you're bearish?
We're at monthly VWAP on gold right now.
As a support?
It just tapped it. Let's see if it breaks. It's at 33 even is the level. Which is also value area low.
Yeah. Went long there.
Yeah, I would have taken it. I was too slow. I'm chasing at this point.
Well, you might get another chance if it comes back. All right, we're long gold.
Yeah, I didn't have an anchored VWAP Kaufman, but those are three, that's 3 areas of confluence. That was a good long to take. Nice. You still in, Chris?
Yeah. I got my stop right below that swing low. Stopped out. See what it does here. Seems to be holding up. I'll get back in. Another stop below, swing low.
I'm taking a nibble here. My stop's below swing low as well. Profit target at VWAP.
Let's go.
Break even, stop now.
Yeah.
Stopped out. Went 9 ticks in my direction and stopped me up.
It's frustrating. There's a lot of chop here. A lot of people getting in and out. Gotta be patient with this one. It's probably gonna move.
It's alright, Kaufman. Take scratches all day, man. They don't affect anything.
Still holding. I'm gonna keep the stop low swing here. Still like the trade.
But do you like the stock?
So I had 2 contracts. I took some risk off. So now I just have 1.
Platinum's coming down here to IB low. Maybe get an initial test.
There's a lot of churning here. Can you do? I don't like it anymore. I'm out. Watch it rip. You guys want the trade? I got out. It's gonna go now. All right, copper.
Platinum's coming down here.
Yeah. Thanks, Coffin. As it tanks. Woo! Made the right decision there. It might not even tank. It might just stop everybody out for by a tick or 2 and then reverse. But, you know, I don't feel like playing those games right now, so... This could be the big bleed, though, in gold. Short. We are at weekly value area low, though, as well. So, still a strong support area.
Copper and platinum both blew through IB low.
I'll take that bounce with you. Tight stop. If we go any lower, I'm out. Nice. Attaboy. See if it keeps going. Might chop around here. Now we're stuck below value area low on the session. We're in value on the week. I'm a scalper here. When we're stuck between major levels, I'm a scalper. I'm just trying to fade these little price movements when we're stuck. See what oil's doing. Okay. It's finding some support at value area on the week here. It's moving away from value area high. Testing value area high in the session. I see what you see. Not great confluence, but I see it. I see the confirmation short after the break into value. Okay. Might very well work out for you. That's a nice little confirmation move there. On the retest of value area high. Wish I would have taken that with you. So the mixed confluence we have is value area high in the week. We're trading above it. It's kind of finding support there. So it could be a scalp. What happened down here is we broke into value area high on the session. Came up to retest value area high and the rejection. That's our confirmation trade. Looks like a nice little scalp, so good job. Could keep going. I don't know. We don't have an IB yet, right? So we have yesterday's levels, which it seems to be chopping around this IB low area. I'd get out. I mean, yeah, I'll let you do what you want to do. Got that psychological level of 73 too. Yeah, good. Scratch. I like scratches. Love scratches. That's essentially a scratch. One tick loss.
See if gold holds this level.
Flat, retest, IB low. Okay, could get the confirmation here, right? I see the confirmation trade. See if we go lower. All right, I took that short on platinum. If we break above this IB area, I'm out.
I'm over here long in gold. What's going on in platinum?
Platinum is much weaker. We're below IB low on platinum.
Copper is sort of doing the same thing as platinum. Looks like they're trading together pretty close. Got a couple nice long scalps on gold off of a value area low down here.
Quite a bit of buying being absorbed here. Somebody loading up their short at IB low. I don't know. Right at this level though. Back below. Kinda. We're testing. We're playing. Platinum looks like it wants to go back to value area low. We do have this double bottom here. All right, that trade's over. Not scratch, loss, small loss. Looking to get back in if we go back below.
Copper's also at IB low.
Long NQ. It's an interesting area to long. Looks like it could be rejecting out a kind of like the short on NQ here. Can't seem to get back into value. We're in this range now.
Holds at VWAP.
I see what you're seeing. It kind of looks like it's basing here on NQ.
Caught a nice 14 tick short on gold just now.
All right, energy IB. Oh, I gotta plug my mouse. Okay. Oil.
Oil's got VWAP and IB low real close to each other. If it can make its way back down there.
It's an interesting. Maybe we get confirmation here in oil. A little long. Off value area. Take a little long here. Stop below that wick. Get a little pop in oil here. Back up to IB high. We're gonna try and stop me out here. Well, we have a very tight stop, 3-tick stop, which is nice. Sorry, working in my favor a little bit here. Thank you. Lower. All right, stop at break even on oil. See if I can get at least sell one contract up here before it goes back down. And I might not get it. This might turn into a scratch. There it goes. Switch my biases, went short there. Getting bought up, but Nice stop over at that swing high. See if we go lower. Yeah, NQ tanking, huh? Look at that. Oof. Alright, we're up yesterday's IB high. That took a lot of people for a ride, huh? Buyers being crushed there.
Silver just blew through IB low.
Wow. Nice. So a wick on NQ there. Hopper. Came down to value area low there. That was interesting. NQ lower. See if it stops out everybody first. Nice big stop run. Yeah, we got some buyers stepping in here. Could be interesting. Struggling to get some upward momentum though, that's for sure. A lot of sellers. Fire stepping in here. Can we get above this level? This is key right here. Thank you.
Got natural gas at IB high. Weekly VWAP's just above.
I do kind of like this chop down here for a long. I didn't queue. That's pretty. All right, guys, I'm at profit target in Top Step. I'm going to switch over to Aperos. And Q providing some nice range down here, that's for sure. It'd be cool to see NQ go down to this weekly VWAP. Might provide a really nice long opportunity there. Didn't really respect session VWAP much though, did it? At the open, just kind of blew through it. Cash, what are you doing?
Short and gold.
Mr. Bullion. I love gold. You ever see Austin Powers, gold member?
Yes.
I am Dutch, isn't that weird?
Gold's coming down to IB low.
And Q looks like it wants to go lower, doesn't it? Doesn't it? A lot of dip buyers here. Tell you what, the 1 minute tells a very different story than the 2 minutes. Very interesting. A lot of sellers being absorbed here. I like that. But they're probably getting, it looks like they're getting overwhelmed. Dude, this is all selling. Just all being absorbed. Crazy. Someone's buying all of that. That's wild. Wild. I tell you, wild. So, I mean, there's been almost 3,000 contracts sold and it hasn't moved down at all. So, what does that tell you? Somebody's absorbing all of that selling. I don't know what to make what to think of this. I took like a $200 long there in NQ. Hey Tony, welcome back. I enjoyed your commentary the other day. What do you think here? IB high. Well, you know what? I got a good trade out of that. I'm going to sit back. Natural gas above weekly VWAP, but in this consolidation area again. And if you grab that long, oh, even more. Look at this. Bananas. NQ. You know what's really weird? I'm not getting a bid and ask price on my NinjaTrader for NQ. All the other symbols are working fine, but when I switch to NQ, nothing. Just says 0 on the bid and the ask. I'm seeing a lot of selling being absorbed in NQ. So I think somebody's propping the bid. And, you know, could be a big short, or it could be just some funds loading up. Two thousand sold contracts here on this 1 minute candle. Yeah. I'm watching NQ as well. I just can't believe what I'm seeing on the cumulative delta here. All this selling. 3,000, 5,000 contracts sold in the last 2 minutes. Is anybody else seeing this, or is there an error with my NinjaTrader? Because I also can't see a bid and ask. So I don't know what's happening. Yeah, okay. So there's something wacky going on.
Oil's at IB high. Broke. Got platinum at IB low and value area low.
See that?
Watching oil up here. See if it gets down below IB low again. I mean IB high, sorry.
So NQ rejected out of value area low there. You're breaking the value this time. Go.
Got gold coming up here in VWAP.
Gold. Let's take a look. Yeah, I don't like this tight consolidation chop at this point. Volume has died out. I think a lot of those setups are just not all that exciting. We got oil breaking above IB high though. We got a flat top here. Rejected the first test of IB high. See if we can pop here. Looking for oil breakout. It's the second test of IB high. Be right back. Oil still stuck at this IB high level, huh? Volume dying down here too, interesting. We're gonna go up.
I'm short here with a really tight stop above
An oil?
quick. Yeah.
I'm long.
Perfect.
One of us is gonna lose. Yeah, pretty much. I'd like to sell into a nice big breakout here. Go. Yeah, baby.
Got stopped out there.
Woo! Let's go. Gotta close that. That's just all I was looking for, is that nice clean break. Yeah, I see that, Infamous. So he's saying that NQ is hugging value area low. Is that the breakout or the fake breakout? Yep, I went long there. Oil still going, man. Good thing you stopped out.
Yeah, I had like a 6-tick stop loss. I had.
So
it
that
right
was
above
the second
wick.
test too. That wasn't the first test. There was a small rejection, then we had that flat top.
I was hoping for a break the other way. You know, I like the risk to reward.
Yeah.
Rolled the dice, didn't work. On to the next one.
Just everything was saying bullish on that. We had above value area high, above value area high on the week on the session. Second test of IB high. Felt like a break. $9.34. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Might not get there. This could be the value rejection on the session or the confirmation long, depending on how you look at it. So you're going to hold here, more upside. What do you guys think? Or did we not get to our level we wanted to short off of? One more push higher. See what we do down here. Sure seems weak. Yeah. Lots of sellers on the tape. This candle gonna squeeze them all out. Would you look at that? All right, we go higher from here or what? Back into value? Is that just a load up? By shaking out everybody's long? Back at value area low? just an irrational sell-off? All right, what are you guys doing? Cash, what are you doing?
Watching gold. I like gold.
I know you do.
I tune you guys right out when you're trading NQ, bro. I don't touch that.
I guess that makes sense. Yeah. Gold's not doing much. It's just chopping around VWAP. There ain't shit there. I don't see any opportunity. Set some alerts. Look at something else. Don't need to watch it. Chop around. NQ's doing cool shit. Another rejection from value here? Or do we hold? It will bleed. So you think new lows? We're going to break initial balance to one side. Likely going to be the lower side. Well, in true NQ fashion, it's not going to make it easy for either side, so. Yeah. Big battle here at value area low. Let's go. Seems to be finding support at this value area low. Keeps getting bought up. So I don't know if I'd want to short here. Okay, like that. What's gold doing? Oh, still chopping around VWAP. Weird. Okay, what else?
Platinum and IB low.
Still, that's also going sideways since 1020.
Copper's doing the same thing.
I don't think any of the metals look attractive. They're all kind of dying off. It's time to move on to better off.
Natural gas is at 50%.
That's interesting. Oil's chopping. Natural gas looks like an interesting long. Nice volatility in natural gas. Hit that long there.
Yeah, I'm long too, trying to see if we can get up to 110.
Nice. My Apteros is acting really weird. I hit profit target in Apteros, guys. I'm done there for the day too. That was a nice long in natural gas. So the trade there was, we came back, we confirmed weekly VWAP. We broke through it, came back, confirmed weekly VWAP, held value area high, and took the break of IB 50% long.
$21 tick winner on that one.
Nice. Aren't you glad I pulled you away from the metals that are still doing nothing?
I think I was the one that called out that natural gas.
Because I encouraged. You were the one, by the way.
Mixed bag today. Stop loss in one, profit target in the other. I'm trading my third top step account. I'm up in it right now. But, you know, silver, man. Whew. If you're wrong on silver, it's bad.
Gotta keep your tights. You gotta keep your stops tight. And your tights even tighter. Yeah, no, silver's can be very difficult. It's gotta move like right in your direction, otherwise get out, you know? So I'm profit target in Apteros. Profit target at one top step. I'm waiting for a login for an XFA I just got. And I'll go in and trade my third top step now.
Natural gas is making its way back down to 50%.
How's everybody else doing out there? Good trades, bad trades, mixed day. Yeah, it's been tough action, guys. News days, you know, gives us at least the metals and the indices have this contorted VWAP value area versus initial balance. Hi, Steve. Welcome. Yeah, big news days can be rough. Alright, well, I'm going to pop into this last top step account and call it a day. Let me see what I see on the Russell here.
Oh, what's gold doing? Still chopping around VWAPs.
Oh, what's gold doing? Nothing. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that. I'm trying to pull up my Ninja Trader here. Get back into this account. I'd like to see my CVD in the Russell. What platform is that, Infamous? Is that Ninja Trader? Oh, Sierra Chart. Okay. Yeah, the buying volume drastically died off. Looks like it wants to go lower. Hey, Tony was right. Again. Tony's had some good commentary, I have to say. When he joined us the other day, he made some really interesting comments on what we were watching too. So we appreciate you being here, Tony. Oh, gold chopping. Oil grinding. Natural gas consolidating here at this IB2X. I don't like that. Gasoline bleeding. Best thing to trade might be the indices at this point.
Got a yes at the weekly VWAP.
What is? What?
ES.
ES? Okay. Take a look at that. Oh yeah, I see that. Okay. Yeah, ES seems to be the one holding up the best, doesn't it? It's the only one still, well, and the Dow. And NQ technically is still in IB. And they're all in initial balance, actually. For whatever reason, my Russell is not coming up. Let's fix that. Go. Sure looks like lower. That looks like a big bounce. That was a slow, big bounce. That played out over the course of the last hour, almost, that bounce. So do we hold here? Tony's thinking new lows.
Hey, look, gold finally broke. That was the trade I was waiting for, and I missed it.
There was no setup there. That was it was ranging to both sides.
Natural gas just tapped 2x IB.
So how deep do we go? I'd like it to see it get down to 800. That's the weekly VWAP. So, you know, stops out everybody who bought an initial balance and then returns to IB range shortly thereafter. I like that trade idea. So that level would be like right here, right? Look at it. Have you guys seen some of this stuff? Hold on, let's see if I can find it. No, this is not it. Got. Screwed it up. Doesn't look very cool, but ghost feed. Platinum revisiting lows. Thank you at monthly value area high. Soybean meal like this. Was an interesting soybean meal trade right there. Didn't quite get there though. Oh, that's that long in soybean meal. Oh well. Mm-hmm. Looks like that fair value gap was filled though, right? Just kind of watching NQ here. Sure, it's slowed down, that's for sure. Looks like it's going lower. Things are really getting slow now. Natural gas. Ooh boy. What's that, 3x IB?
Yeah. looking at that. That value area high on the week, essentially the same spot.
On what, gold?
No, MG.
Approaching this 3x level in natural gas. But this is a pretty strong uptrend. I don't know if I want to. If I want to play these games. Someone's got to take some profits in natural gas, right?
Certainly do.
Gasoline looks like it's bouncing here. Been doing a great job of trading with I have a long in gasoline and a short natural gas at the same time. Yeah, Tony, I've moved on to other pastures. I'm long gasoline, short natural gas. Come on, I just missed my fill in gasoline by the tick. Let's go. There we go. Natural gas tapping on the door.
What happens here?
Your one's higher. Let's go. Nope. Confirmation. It held. Hell of a move in natural gas, though. Look at that 15-minute chart.
Crazy move.
Dropped out of that. Probably going up the value area high in the week.
Copper's down here at this IV 50%, but it's just platinum and copper just like bleeding out slowly
Yeah,
from
that's
IB low. Like it's just there's nothing there. Silver's bleeding out,
natural gas held
coming
up.
back down to IB low. Natural gas, man. From where
It was
it's
a nice
set
long.
initial balance.
We took it long right here.
Like literally since 9:45, it's just gone straight up on the 15-minute.
Goes NQ. This is kind of where I wanted to see. This is weekly VWAP here. An 800. It's kind of the spot I'm watching for a retest, at least of IB low. But we're just tanking through it.
Gold just broke through IB low.
Watching NQ down here. See if we get a revisit to 800. Lower. Let's go. You just pay me in all your Bitcoin. I will run all your money through a bot and you will get returns on the daily. Just send me all your Bitcoin. Thank you. For all of those who don't know, I am joking. I will never send you a friend request or a message first. I definitely will not ask you for any money or solicit you in any way whatsoever. Just so we're clear. Cash, on the other hand, can't be trusted. I like that.
Yeah. If I ask you for money, please send it. You know it, D.
Oh, we got the retest of weekly VWAP. Does it hold here? Struggling here on NQ. Looks like it wants to go lower. Retest those bottoms. Maybe we consolidate here.
Yeah, that was a hell of a flush on gold there. Oof.
You did get the little bounce off of IB first for a scalp. Then it crashed. Don't hold on.
I was not in that trade, Kaufman.
All right, I'll be right back, guys. I'm sticking around for a little bit today. Don't got any place to be or anywhere to go. So, be right back. Man, gold's still going, huh? Gold finally got some action here. Still kind of bleeding out.
Got that right, Infamous. No one told natural gas that it's supposed to have squiggly lines. It's just going up.
Some buyers stepping in here. 1986. You drop below 2000, huh? That might take a while. I love how it shorted all, it squeezed out all the shorts first before this big move down on that news drop. Platinum at 50%, IB low. Kind of holding that level pretty good, but it looks like it could break. Right here. Look at natural gas. Got some nice combination for the continuation long. Price discovery. If you were so inclined. Like NQ's confirming short at weekly VWAP. Might take a little bit.
Just got a nice 22 tick winner on that natural gas bounce.
Which one? Bounce off what?
Value area high on the week.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it's just going higher and higher. Yeah, that was a nice trade. Anybody held that? Let me see if there's any. Is there anybody in the room? I mean, none of these people are even in the room. They probably have a spy in here. So somebody who's not named Drysdale in the room, just seeing who's here and then messaging
hey guys,
you.
Who is it? Come clean.
Who's the spy? So, I mean, this is one of the drawbacks of having a free room, you know? Like, I have no way of controlling the imposters.
Are you the spy, Gary?
Like gold wants to go lower.
Game of Among Us.
Hey, if anything, you can just waste their time while we sit here waiting for setups. Pull them down, get them excited, think they have a live one on the hook, and then don't know how stupid they are.
Have I ever showed you my scam texts, Chris, when I do that to them?
Yes.
I got it. Yeah, I have so much fun with them.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Now, I won't message anybody first, Tony, for this very reason. Now, you guys can friend and message me directly. I have no problem with that. That way you know it's me. Yeah, I can assure everybody here that I am not licensed to manage anybody's account. I'm barely qualified to manage my own account, so here we are.
ES had a little bounce off IB low earlier. It's kind of making its way back down there. Oh, sorry, it's below. I got the wrong thing up. Hold on.
Below in gold. Bought up. Kind of wicked a little bit here. I mean, it's just kind of sitting there, right? Kind of looks poised to dump, but there's no volume, so.
Yeah, look at that, Infamous. Had a nice little bounce there.
Did.
On Russell.
No, yeah, it looks pretty weak down here. I mean, it's found quite a bit of support. This is like a triple bottom, but gold lower. Look at the 15-minute on gold. Just dump. It's been going down since the chop an hour ago. And Q's back at VWAP, huh? Oh, weekly VWAP. Gold lower. Seppuku, is that a suicide? Honorable suicide, right?
Nice call out, Infamous. I rode that for quite a bit.
Russell?
Yeah.
Nice.
Got 20 ticks out of that. That was nice.
Oil coming back down to IB high. Value area high. Natural gas just going straight up. Silver. Slow bleed. Copper. I mean, unless you caught these like this move here, this move here, this. It's been a lot of chop on NQ. We're just stopping out all the shorts before it goes lower. You know that game, Tony. I know you know that game, that trick. That candle right there, that was just a stop run. NQ back to lows, new lows. Alright, let me try and get dialed in here again. Let's look for some good trades. I have one more account here to trade. I'd like to end it nicely. Everything's just kind of bleeding out. I want a good setup. Is that too much to ask?
Yes.
Is this the bouncing gold, or is this just... Is this the reversal or the bounce? Didn't even get to 50%, so... Nothing. Gasoline, back to IB. Oil didn't even make it back to IB high or value area high. Natural gas struggling up here. Yeah, I was talking about gold. Yeah, I'd like to see lower. You know, I'd like to at least see it get to 2. You know, and I like to catch bounces, don't get me wrong. I mean, I'm a day trader. I don't need to catch every huge move. I'll take a reliable bounce any day for a nice scalp. But I need a good level to trade off of.
215 and a half.
Yeah, I like that.
Maybe the next one.
Yeah, you get the asymmetrical risk opportunity. You know where you're wrong pretty quick. And then you can usually quickly put a break-even stop in.
Natural gas testing, value area high on the week. Is this the sell-off?
That looked like a... are we bleeding here? What's your thoughts on that? That wick below the low there on NQ. Slap down, huh? Playing games now. Natural gas reversal. Ah, man, there it is. So I bet this is IB4X. Let's take a look. So we're gonna take IB, and then we're gonna move it up. Close. Broke 4X. Russell's still at IB low. Dow is still holding IB low. Yes. Yeah, we're currently pretty much at lows here. And we did peek through a little bit at the bottom there. Just barely, a couple ticks.
That was a nice short on natural gas just now.
You chase that one?
And look at that comeback. My goodness. See what it does up here at the weekly value area high.
I've already taken my licks on natural gas. I'm done with it for the day. And Q, new lows. Yeah, I don't even know what's going on with this. Gasoline tanking. Get it? Gasoline tanking. Oil's at an interesting level here. Oil, IB high, value area high. Slap down, oil. See if we can get a little more out of oil here. Grabbed a little short there on oil. Worked out nice. Just a little scalp back to IB high. Oh yeah, look at that. Ripping and roaring NQ. Ripping here, huh? Gold too. Is this the move? I don't want to chase it up here.
I had a phone call. What are you doing, Chris?
Chasing NQ.
You're
What
long.
I'm doing. Yeah. See if we can get back to value area low. Tony said so. Buyers seem to be. Sure seems like it wants to rip. Keep ripping. Back down to 16,800. Loves this level, doesn't it? Gonna give up that whole move? Or we're gonna find some buying support again? Nice. Well, it's almost 12 o'clock. I'm probably going to have lunch here in a little bit. Maybe come back for a little bit in the afternoon here. Cash, what are you doing?
I'm flat. I'm just watching, listening to you guys. I'm probably going to do the same. It's lunchtime. I also got to go to the hospital, so.
All right. Gentlemen. It's been a pleasure trading with you all this morning. Any questions before we hop off here? Yeah, I'm getting off the roller coaster. I'm gonna grab lunch. I'll be on Discord if you guys need me.
All right, later, guys.
If you're gonna stick around trading, later, Cash. If you're gonna stick around trading, take it safe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. See you later.